How to delete your Amazon account permanently. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Amazon. Now tap on search and click on Amazon Shopping. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on the user icon at the bottom part of your screen. Now tap on your account. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on close your Amazon account. Now wait for some time. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on choose reason. Now select any of the reason. Now click on close my account. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your email. Now open up the confirmation email and confirm your deletion of your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.